Yeah, I blame the camera guys for that. Whoop, that guy in a little space. The winner is...
Pay attention, Brian. It's time for another competition. Today, I will not be competing. Instead, I got the best roofer I know from the internet, them roof boys, to come and do a roof off.
Them roof boys versus whoever wants to step up and put their game down, buddy.
Both competitors have exact and equal substructures to work from.
This is 11-inch snap lock standing seam panel, black soft fitting fascia, extra tubifers there in case something happens, buddy.
But not only that, both competitors have exact, equal, identical, both matching Van Mark, Triumph, Trim Master, brakes, or whatever they're called. I'm not a metal guy, I don't know. What are they called? Where's Mark?
Twin Trim Masters back here from our sponsors at Buckner's Metal. Each with the brand new trim cutter, new trim former. Give us a variety of materials. We got our underlays, fasteners, everything else. You gotta cook that yourself, pal.
The roof battle begins. Today I'm not competing. That's refreshing for a change. Them roof boys, they make a mean roof. I invited them out here to let them challenge anyone they want from the comment section to go head to head. This is a trade that I'm not well versed in, but I know what looks good, so it's gonna be fun to kind of sit there and just give them commentary. Out of all of the competitors that did sign up, none of them were actual haters, of course. But after going through all the applications, we picked the one that does the best work. So I think Mark has it in for him. He's gonna have to keep his head down and really get serious. Mark's used to the cameras. He's really good on camera, but let's see if he can be just as good in real life on the roof.
Them roof boys, who's actually just one boy. He's a roof guy, skilled, trained assassin. Excited to see what happens. I hope there's some violence.
I'm Kevin. I'm gonna be serving up curry goat today. A whole bunch of stuff we're gonna be eating, buddy.
Here we are, boys. Finally got an opportunity to get on Beat the Bully Boys for my own episode. Called out the entire internet, tried to find a contender.
Hey guys, this is Justin Gagnon with Gagnon Building Solutions. Saw the challenge on YouTube and I figured I would take a shot.
So, who's the best roofer? That's today's episode. Gentlemen, I want a good, clean match. No hitting below the belt. You understand me?
No problem.
All right, 3, 2, 1.